Hey guys, Andy here, and welcome to another one of our special TierraMitica review videos. Today we're talking to Simona, who's done her Mythic Voyage more than 3 years ago. You can really feel that she's made a lot of really huge and impressive changes in her life since she's been with us here at TierraMitica, so check it out.
Hi everyone, my name is Simona. I'm one of the Argonauts and came back from TierraMitica after completing a Mythic Voyage pretty much exactly 3 years ago. And the aim of this video is for me to reflect and give some feedback about the experience and most importantly, what's the life like after you come back from the workshop. Because I think, well, pretty much all of us did the videos right after completing the workshop, and if you've seen them, you've noticed everyone super happy, elevated, hearts open, but how long that's gonna last? And you know, when they get back to the normal life, what's gonna happen then? So I think that's why it's important for me to do this, because, well, it's been 3 years, and I have to say, life's pretty sweet and good. So yeah, before I went to TierraMitica, I had a pretty good life. I lived by the sea, I had an okay job, I was married at that time, had my friends, family, so yeah, everything's good, and I'm quite a positive person, so it's just, yeah, just being happy, just going through life. However, I always had this feeling there is like some sort of shield that holds me back from like really feeling it, really embracing my life, really being happy, like screaming with happiness, being free, like doing stuff I want to do. So this always seemed like there is this gap, and I don't know how to cross it. I don't know, like, that shield, how do I get rid of it? So yeah, I always felt there's more to it, but I just couldn't feel it. And then another thing, like, I used to have, you know, questions like, who am I? Really deep down, like, what's the core of me, this Simona person? Who are you? Like, things like this. And also my marriage, yeah, even though everything seemed fine, we both weren't very happy, and yeah, things weren't great. So I needed some clarity and answers, and I messaged and got an amazing response from Sarah, and literally from the moment I read that message, my heart just felt right. This is the right place for me to go. So I went, and yeah, first thing, you arrived, an amazing place in the jungle, so it's just gorgeous. And right away what you feel is, from all the people that are there and helping out, is love, and very importantly as well, safety. And I think for me, that safety feeling was like such a key thing, because, you know, I knew I'm going for probably not an easy workshop, and you know, how can you open up if you don't feel safe, don't feel loved? And yeah, as you'll find out eventually, you get so close with these people and feel so much love. It's amazing. Because yeah, things that we got out of it, I think it might take you years just in your normal environment to actually achieve. So yeah, pretty intense, hard, but you know, that's probably what you would expect. You're going to a life transformational workshop that lasts 10 days, not 5 years. Because I generally don't think that the results that we achieved could be achieved in such a short period of time without it being so intense. So yeah, so that's incredibly powerful, strong, not easy, worth it. But yeah, during the workshop, obviously experience amazing, very hard but amazing. But talking about the main important things and answers and I brought out of it, so the answer to who I am, the answer, why I'm not fully happy, why I don't feel this, I got those. I came back having full power in myself to make my choices and know deep down that it's only my responsibility to make myself happy. It's in my power to make myself happy. I choose to be happy. I can choose whichever direction I want to life. I can be whoever I want. Whoever I choose who I am. And I choose how I react in situations. I choose if I'll be happy if shit happens, or I'll just be crying and not dealing with it. So that empowerment's like, right, it's in my power. I can do this. I can do anything I want. So that's powerful. And another thing that I think we all left the workshop with was trust. It's just trust. It happened and it's exactly as it should be. And what it really does to you, it takes away all of the stress, all of the frustration that, sometimes you get when things go to shits. And it's like, why is this? Oh, who do I blame for this? And it's just like, so that's all gone. And then you have room to actually deal with it and find the best outcome in every situation and turn it around. And eventually see, when you do that, things just get better. So that was another thing, that trust. You need to train, but eventually it just settles in, and whatever happens, it's all good. So that, and another thing for me was, like, when I got to the workshop, a lot of my issues came out, issues that I wasn't thinking or was aware of before. So me being conditioned in a Catholic family and Catholic school, as a good girl, things like sexuality, sexual desires, femininity, those were very, very suppressed deep down. I was very suppressed in that area. Subconsciously I thought, that's dirty, you shouldn't enjoy that too much, it's just not, it's not good, if you do something you should feel guilty, and massively affected my relationships as well. I pretty much was living in a sexless marriage and somehow thought it's okay, which it definitely wasn't. And I've started rediscovering my femininity. I started blossoming, starting exploring sex, having fun, like all of this completely new agenda to me. And as a very, very girly girl inside, being suppressed, that was such a big gift. I can wear dresses, heels, and don't feel like I'm a slut anymore, whereas I used to. I thought that's wrong somehow, so just wear the jeans and no bloody red lipstick. That's gone now. So that was a tremendous gift to me, and when I came back I knew that I know what man I want and I know I can choose him. So now going to what happened when I came back. I had to end my marriage. That was one of the things. But then whole new doors opened up, and I chose my man, the best one. His name is Michael. We just got engaged as well. I'm super happy. It happened in August. I chose the man of my dreams, and so that's the key change for me after coming back as well, being able to build this amazing, loving relationship and be calm, happy deep in my heart, and feel satisfied as a woman. My relationships with everyone improved, so the friends I had before, they're still there, but I can finally feel like I'm not alone. I didn't used to open up fully share how I feel, whereas now I can. My relationship with my family, especially with my dad, because he always was the most tricky person I ever knew in my life, and I didn't know how to communicate with him, and I had a bit of I was blaming him a bit, looking back at the traumas and things that you go through in the childhood. But now, in this moment, it's my responsibility to turn my life whichever way I want, and I have a choice not to let those little things affect my life anymore. It's me, it's new me. I have full power to be happy and sort my shit out. So yeah, that's incredible as well. I finally have a relationship with my dad. And actually, when I speak on him on the phone, I could not speak on him on the phone before. Well, my parents live in Lithuania, so we communicate over the phone. Whereas now I enjoy it, and it's great. So again, a big change. The main difference is now that I'm actually capable to see what's happening, to be aware of it. And it's like, right, well, you're feeling this way now. It's like, no, you don't let this happen. Like, this is shit. Sort it out. Switch it. Do it. And it's that power. And even if you take that step back, you have all of those tools and pillars that have been given to you that you can refer back. And you have that base you can cling on and build yourself back again. And it's really powerful. It really works for me, and I'm very, very grateful for it. Very, very grateful. So yeah, and you'll notice when you start making your decisions, knowing what you want, feeling proud of who you are, and feeling like you deserve nice things, they happen. They just magically come into your life, and they're there. Well, it definitely came to my life, and I'm super happy. And I hope in the next 3 years I'll leave another video and it's going to be the same happy, just with more nice things to share. Yeah, so Mythic Voyage is a great thing to do. It's not easy, not easy at all, but worth every bit of it. I feel that the work, the proper work that, helped me to sort my things out, what happened throughout the workshop, during the sessions, group sessions, whatever happened in the group was very powerful, and that's what actually helped me make the changes in my life. So if you are thinking about doing the workshop, I personally say definitely do it. It's worth it, and I'm so grateful to all of the TierraMiticans for all the love, everything, all the gifts, and I'm grateful every single day. Yeah, so I love you all, and good luck to the ones who are thinking about going for it. And yeah, enjoy lives.
Thanks for watching another great TierraMitica review video. If you have any comments or questions for Simona or for the team here at TierraMitica, you can leave them in the comments section below. And if you want to keep up with us, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and by subscribing to our YouTube channel.